everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you claim your insurance on Verizon phone. So here are steps to file a claim, deductible and replay. Step 1. Check your coverage. Open the My Verizon app or sign into your Verizon account. Go to Products and Plan Perks or Manage the device. Confirm that your phone has a device protection plan. Step 2. Start an insurance claim. Open the My Verizon app, select your phone under Manage Device, tap on Lost, Stolen, or Damaged Device, start a claim, follow the on screen instructions. Step 3. Provide the required information. Your Verizon mobile number, device make and model, details about what happened to the phone, the date of the loss or damage, payment for any applicable deductible. Step 4. Choose a repair or replacement. Depending on your claim and device, you may be offered cracked screen repair, which is for only eligible devices, a replacement phone, same day repair in selected locations. Step 5. Track your claim. Sign into your Assurant account to check your claim status. Follow the shipping or repair updates. If you receive a replacement, return your old device if instructed to avoid additional charges. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.